Doonagore Castle. Perched high above the Atlantic Ocean, just a kilometre south of Doolin village, stands Doonagore Castle, a lone round tower keeping quiet watch over Ireland's wild Atlantic way. This 16th century cylindrical tower house may look peaceful today, but its story begins in a far darker time. The hill stands on what once was the site of a ring fort, likely used by Gaelic clans for defence. By the 14th century, a stone tower was built here by Taig MacTurlough, a member of a powerful local family. This early structure laid the foundation for the castle we see today. The current tower was built in the mid-1500s, using sandstone from a nearby flaggy beach, a rare choice in this limestone-rich region. Its unique circular shape and remote coastal perch made it both a stronghold and a statement of power. By 1570, it was owned by Sir Donald O'Brien, a key figure in Clare's shifting political landscape. A decade later, Brian McCahill O'Connor occupied it. In 1588, during the chaos of the Spanish Armada, a ship wrecked off the nearby coast. Around 170 Spanish sailors survived the wreck, only to be captured and brought to Doonagore. The High Sheriff of Clare ordered them to be executed either at the castle or on a nearby hill, now called Hangman's Hill. That moment cast a long shadow over the castle's legacy. After the Cromwellian conquest in the 1600s, the land was confiscated and granted to John Sarsfield, an English settler, later to be passed to the Gore family, who lent the castle another name, Gore's Castle. But like many tower houses of its time, Doonagore fell into disrepair by the 1800s. Its roof collapsed, its walls weathered, and the tower stood silent for decades. Then in the 1970s, a new chapter began. The ruined structure was restored by Percy Leclerc, a conservation architect also known as Rex McGovern. The project was commissioned by John C. Gorman, an Irish-American who wanted to preserve the site's legacy. Today, Doonagore Castle remains in the Gorman family and is used as a private holiday home. Though not open to the public, the castle still serves its purpose. It's a navigation landmark for boats approaching Doolin Pier and a constant presence in the landscape for travellers along the wild Atlantic way. With its tragic past, rare design, and peaceful modern presence, Doonagore Castle stands as a quiet monument to Ireland's layered history, where beauty and brutality, poetry and politics all leave their mark on the stone.